What a great day for students to connect all of their learning through STEM and understanding how STEM is an important tool and vehicle for students to make a better world in the future.
We are very, very happy that the school has taken this initiative in a very structured way, bringing people that are from the business, that understand the issue, and can communicate to both parents and students the importance of this issue.
Sustainability is the integration of the social, economics, and also environment.
That nature conservation is something that you can really do, and it can really improve our life and improve our world.
It opened a window for students to learn about architecture. So our students are going to have more chance to explore the all kinds of fields they have never been familiar before.
Think globally, act locally. Go YCIS.